Bienvenidos a Uriel Barrientos y estamos jugando Five Nights at Candy's 1. Pues vamos a comenzar, noche 1. Lista. Lo contrario de Five Nights at Freddy's, la hamburguesa. He estado viendo cómo se juega y pues casi no he adelantado.
You have one new message. Hello? Hi? Junior manager here. So you're the new security guard, right? Yeah, it's great to finally have someone qualified for the job, you know? We had to, share the shift because, someone has to be here during the night. But with you, now we have more energy to be here during the day. You see, we're probably going to be a lot busier from now on. You may have heard about the place called Freddy Fazbear's Pizzeria, right? Yeah, they got shut down yesterday. I don't know why, though. Probably something like tax fraud or such, I never really liked that place. I always had a bad feeling about it, Their pizzas weren't even that good. Anyway, I think you're going to fit in really well here. The staff are really nice. We make sure to help each other out on everything. When we close late in the evening, we all make sure that the floors and tables are properly cleaned and all the dishes has been washed before we get off of the day. Now, in order to save power, of course, all the lights will at night be turned off. But don't worry, we have a desk lamp in the office that you can use. If you open up the maintenance panel, you'll be able to view the restaurant through the security cameras. And the cameras all have a neat feature, which is night vision mode. These cameras were the cheapest we could get, so the night vision... And by the way, we have a security feature in the restaurant that limits how much power can be used after hours. It's mainly so that our electricity bill doesn't skyrocket during the night if somebody forgot to turn off something somewhere, Now, the office is also the information area, which you can tell because of the window counter in front of you. There should be a button underneath the desk too. This is for the security door in front of your window. To your left and right are also two doors. These doors are a little stupid. You see, they require power to be closed. I think it was something about some computer somewhere always checking if they're closed or not. Or maybe it was a security feature, in case the place goes dark. If there was a power outage, you would be stuck here. But the doors open up automatically if that happens. All three doors are power-driven, so basically don't use too much power. Otherwise the place will shut off completely. But don't worry. As I said, the doors will open up if that happens. So, good luck on your first night here. Don't fall asleep, and have a good night.
Ok. Aquí estamos. Son las 2 AM. Son las 6. Pues ahorita no es nada malo. Donde sé que hay animatrónicos es estos dos y este, ¿no? Los demás son libres. Este es enfrente. Cuando hay alguien, ¿qué tengo que hacer? ¡Ay! ¿A dónde fue? ¿Está ahí? Candy. Candy Cindy. ¡Ay! Ni siquiera sé si tenemos que hacer eso, pero bueno. Por si acaso. Ay, ok, ya no está. No puede ser. Ay, no. Perdí. Ok. Una M. Listo.
Scooby.
Otra M. Oh. 5M. Ay, me acuerdo. ¿Quién es? Ah, ya es Puppet. ¿Puppet? Está enojado. Solo que ahí es azul. Ay. Bueno, aquí dejamos el episodio. Ojalá les haya gustado. Like si les gustó. Suscríbanse y pues nada. Adiós.